Welcome to the video, guys. Hopefully a quick one today. We're going to be having a look at this microphone from Zeal Sound, model number K66. It's a USB microphone and I'm hoping it should work plugged directly into my phone. That's the idea for me, just so I can hopefully have a bit better sound on these close-up videos, the videos which I'm able to have a microphone plugged into my phone anyway. So we'll open it up and have a look. Little instruction manual, and we've got these little adapters. Seem to have two of them. Oops. So we've got a USB-C adapter and the called like the Lightning adapter for iPhone. I use Android, so I'm not 100% sure. Right then, here we have got the microphone itself. Looks pretty nice, to be fair. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got a bit of a cushioned bottom on there. It's nice and smooth. Got the foam cover we can pop over the top if we want to. And then we have got a cable. Which is actually USB, standard USB to USB-C. So the microphone itself takes USB-C, you can see that at the bottom. It's also got an auxiliary port, so I think you can connect your headphones into it as well, so you can hear yourself as you're doing it. Often we don't want it going into a computer though, so we'll use the adapter, USB-C adapter, to plug it into my phone. Bit of a close look at the microphone itself. So at the top here we have got a mute button. Obviously we're not plugged in, so it's not going to do anything. And then all these other ones are actually little twisty knobs. So we have got mic plus and minus at the top, then we've got headphone plus and minus, and then we've got one called echo. I'm not sure why you'd want an echo setting, but there we are. We'll try and plug it in and do a little sound comparison video then. This is a quick sound sample without the microphone connected. This is a sound sample with the microphone switched on, with the microphone volume at 50% and the echo at 50%. This is a sound sample with the microphone switched on and the microphone volume at 100% and the echo at 100%. This is a sound sample with the microphone and noise cancellation on, with the microphone at 50% and the echo at 50%. This is a sound sample with the microphone and noise cancellation switched on, with the microphone at 100% and the echo at 100%. I want to do one last test, but I want to do it in real time. So the idea behind it is, as I adjust these settings on the microphone, I'm hoping it works and it adjusts them, like I say, in real time on the video. I popped on a headset that is just plugged in directly to the bottom of the microphone, and the other cable goes up to my phone with the supplied USB-C adapter. The only thing I'm not going to change on here settings wise is the headset volume. I'm going to keep that at 50%. It's not a fancy headset, it's just my Xbox One, so I've not gone out of the way, I've not got anything that expensive or anything like that. First thing we're going to do is turn on the noise cancellation by holding down the mute button, and then that should light up blue. That's now turned on. Already it sounds a lot better. I've not got the slight fuzz coming through, and it's also knocked off a little bit of the echo. Echo is the next one we're going to fiddle with, so that's the bottom one, and we're going to turn that all the way up to 100%. And now it just sounds like I'm in a church or like a big empty building. There's no need for that. So we're going to go all the way down to basically 0%, and that is completely off now. Turn it up a slight bit, I'd say it's probably about 10%. I can still hear the echo, and I just don't feel I need it. It might be worthwhile for some things, but just for talking, I don't need that, so I'm going to turn that off. Next one then, we're going to fiddle with the microphone volume, so we're going to turn it all the way up to 100%. Pretty loud coming through the headset. Again, I don't need it that loud. We're going to go down and we're going to go all the way to 0. But before we do, I don't know if it's going to go very, very quiet or if it's just going to cut off any speech at all. So if my mouth's suddenly moving and there's no sound, the video's not broke. It's just the fact I've turned this all the way to 0. So we're going to go to 0 now. We've now turned it back up to about 10%. Whether you heard that last section or not 100% sure. We're going to keep turning it up a little bit though, and I think we are now at about 40%. And to me, that sounds pretty good. Honestly then, what a great little microphone this is. About £30 off Amazon. I've kept it on the settings we just went through. So echo is at 0, mic is on 40, maybe 45%, and the noise cancellation is left on. For me, the fact it works straight out the box, I just think that's great. I've not had to go into my phone settings. I've not had to plug it into a computer. It needs no external power. It's just plugged into my phone, and that is with the adapters it came with. So it came with everything I needed. If you're making YouTube videos, if you're gaming, honestly, what a great little microphone. But if you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. But as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.